city out to Midway.
County in northeastern Illinois until 11:15 p.m. At 10:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Geneva, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to location of hazard. Chicago, Cicero, Berwick, Chicago, Cicero, Berwick, Oak Park, Elmhurst, Lombard, Margaret, Oak Airport, Carroll, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elm Grove Village, St. Charles, West Town, Alden, Lincoln Park, Chicago Loop, Clay View, Building Park, South Lawndale, Bridgeport, Lincoln Park, Chicago moves to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.